Whenever you're ready.
Okay, good to go. Oh, hey there. My name is Paul Richard Brooker Brown. My friends in the street call me PRB. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the manager and producer here at Ambient Fitness, and I'd like to welcome you to not only a super gym, but a green, completely organic super gym. It's one of its kind. Ladies and gentlemen, there's immense variety here. Workout machines, there's rooftop yoga, there's everything you could possibly think of. But now, back to my humble abode, I'd like to pass you along to 5-time world champion, Mr. Connor Edwards.
Hi, I'm Connor Edwards, 5-time world champion. I'd like to tell you a little bit more about Ambient Fitness. It's like, I go big or go home. Just like my championships, I go green and go home. That's why I use Ambient Fitness. Booyah!
PRB here, ladies and gentlemen, just here once again for our 5-time world champion. It's kind of training you get here at Ambient Fitness. Anyway, I'd like to move you along to one of our other clients who's possibly a little too spiritual for my liking. Anyway, she's right now on the rooftop of our facility doing a little yoga. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to pass you along to the one and only Miss Kayla Sawada.
Oh, hi. My name is Kayla Sawada, and when I do yoga, my spirit flies. But when I do yoga at Ambient, on the rooftop, my spirit soars.
Thank you, Ms. Sawada. Moving on, now that you met a few of our clients here at Ambient Fitness, I'd like to move you on to a promotional rap video actually, done by your very own manager here, PRB, and my buddy, Ed Kozo. Yo, check this out, check this out, Ed Kozo and
PRB, how's it going, yo?
Just let me rip it, check it,
marketing class 2007.
Listen.
Still, Eco and PRB. Still being fit, right?
Oh, for sure. Check this gym out. Yo.
It's still being PRB. Eco for sure.
Before I went to Gordon, had an idea came out of Ed.
Cause when we work out the spots that are known to rock,
You hear the new ambience, the new place on the block.
ladies, we got the yoga on the rooftop, but PRB says don't fall off.
They wanna know how we're green and how we feel about it. They hear the world's changed, so join green and don't doubt it. If you want to relax in peace, Ambient Fitness is the name, we're ahead of the game.
Still, using solar panels, one with the earth.
Still, not loving pollution increase.
Still, rock my body with weight, no obese.
Still, got love for my body, reppin' FIT.
Still, same group, still drinking my organic juice.
Since I've joined, the world's changed.
Still, representing for the environment from across the world.
Still, heating up facility with them solar panels, girl.
Still, taking my time to protect my health.
But I still got love for the earth. We are FIT.